We'll get to the Star Wars premiere in just a bit, but first, the winds have already started picking up.
By the time you wake up tomorrow morning, the entire state will be under a wind advisory. Now, we're talking winds of up to 30 miles per hour, but gusts possibly nearly twice as strong. That can make things very dangerous for your Aloha Friday, especially out on the road.
And don't forget about the Christmas decorations. Make sure you secure them. Justin Cruz just finished looking over the latest forecast update and tells us what we need to know. Justin.
Yeah, Marissa, we have very strong high pressure system north of the state, and that's what's triggering these strong trades that are moving east to west across the state. There's been numerous locations that we've seen sustained winds approaching 30 miles per hour. Here are your wind speeds, and then look at those gusts. Many of those gusts have been well into the 30 and over threshold for this advisory. So the advisory goes into effect tomorrow morning through Saturday night. Winds 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusts to 50 miles per hour, and also small craft advisories and gale warnings are also in place. So if you're going to be out in the water, it's going to be quite choppy. Coming up, we're going to take a look at that weekend weather forecast. Howard and Marissa, back to you.